तो कैसे हैं आप लोग?
Welcome everybody. Welcome everybody and glad you joined me on my first time YouTube channel, and today I am going to tell you the notice of CBSE board, that Central Board of Secondary Education, and the notice which I give you is related to CBSE class CBSE class 10th, the latest syllabus of season 2020 and 21. The complete discussion will be done on this. So I hope if you like the video, don't forget to comment, and also do subscribe my channel and press the notification bell so you can get the newly update. And this is my social media link. If you want to talk me on this, you can go and follow on her and talk it to me. So now, class 10 CBSE latest syllabus 2020 and 21, the complete discussion will be done on this, and the NCRT's book is better for your examination. So now recording is start. Firstly, we will take the three main subject, that is mathematics, science and social science, and then other other three subject, that is English, Hindi, computer, that is information technology. So now we will start it from mathematics. So mathematics total 15 chapter, and the name of the chapter are as following. So this the chapter 1, real number, chapter 2, polynomial, chapter 3, linear equation in two variables, chapter 4, quadratic equation, chapter 5, arithmetic progression, chapter 6, triangle, chapter 7, coordinate geometry, chapter 8, introduction to geometry, chapter 9, some application of trigonometry, chapter 10, circle, chapter 11, construction, chapter 12, area related to function, chapter 13, surface area and volume, chapter 14, statistics, chapter 15, probability. After that, we will take science. So as you know, my friend, that the science included mainly three subjects: first physics, second chemistry, and third biology. After that, we will start from the subject physics. So physics contains chapter 1, light, chapter 2, human eye, chapter 3, electricity, chapter 4, effect of current, chapter 5, sources of energy. Now we will take chemistry. So chemistry, chapter 1, chemical reaction and equation, chapter 2, acid, base and salt, chapter 3, carbon and its compound, chapter 4, periodic classification of element. After that, we will take the subject known as biology. Chapter 1, life process. Chapter 2, control and coordination. Chapter 3, reproduction. Chapter 4, heredity and evolution. Chapter 5, environment. After that, we will take the subject known as social science. So the friend, as we know that social science contain mainly five subjects. First is the history, then geography. After that, the subject known as civics, then economics. Mainly four subjects, not five. Sorry. After that, first we will take history, chapter 1, the rise of nationalism in Europe. Then we will take chapter 2, nationalism in India, chapter 3, the making of global, chapter 4, the age of industrialization, chapter 5, print culture and modern world. Now we will take geography. Geography, chapter 1, resource and its development, chapter 2, agriculture, chapter 3, mineral and energy resources, chapter 4, manufacturing industry, and chapter 5, lifelines of national economy. Then we will take civics. Civics contains chapter 1, power sharing, chapter 2, federalism, chapter 3, gender, religion, caste, chapter 4, political parties, chapter 5, outcomes of democracy. And now we will take economics. Economics, chapter 1, development, chapter 2, sectors of Indian economy. Then we will take chapter 3, that is money and credit, and chapter 4, the last chapter, globalization of Indian economy. And now we will take the subject English. So as you know, my friend, that English contains mainly two books. First is first life, second is tree, and third is grammar. So here the lesson content of book first life. the photos of the book. First slide, some text. See that 3 chapter, 4 chapter, 5 chapter. After that, this is 6, 7, and 8. And after every chapter, the poem name also was written. So you can pause the video and see. And this is also 9, 10, 11. Total 11 chapter in English book. First flight. After that, the book Footprint. So this is the chapters of Footprint. You can pause the video and see that this is the whole chapter of whole content of this first slide. Now we will take Hindi. Hindi also contains 2 books, first Kshitij and Kritika. So I give you the pictures of Kshitij book, that is a Gad Khan Kshitij book. This is the tick one will come in your examination. Only the tick one come in your examination. And after that, this is Kavya Khan. The tick one only come your examination. And sorry to say, Kritika book is not available on me. And if you want to download the PDF, you can download. The link is in description. And that is computer book. Now we will study about computer. So computer, here is the pictures of some computer contents. The tick one will be coming in your examination. And if you want to download the syllabus in PDF, the link in description, go and download it. The video is become to end. I hope if you like the video, do like, comment and share with your friends. Everything I speak in my video is based on my experience. I don't want to force anyone to follow these tips in his or her exam. It is their responsibility if they make it useful in exam. Keep going on 1K view and like. An NCERT book is better for your achieving exam good marks in your exam.